The best part of chowder is when the bread soaks up all the creamy sauce, right? Most of the time, I love exploring recipes I've never tried. Today, I make a New England clam chowder in a bread bowl. Bread and soup have always been my comfort food, but this time, I wanted to bring them together in one dish. It's playful and delicious at the same time. Along the New England coast, clams are plentiful, and settlers combine them with milk and cream. That's how this creamy and filling soup was born. Let's get started. Cook chopped bacon until crispy, then set aside. Saute carrots, celery, and onion in the baking fat. Stir in flour. Then add broth, wine, and seasonings. White wine deepens the flavor. Add milk, cream, and potatoes. Then simmer until tender. Stir in clams, bring to a light boil, then turn off heat. Overcooked clams become tough. Add the crispy bacon and dill before serving. Cut the top of the round bread and hollow it out. A sturdy breast holds the chowder best. Pour the hot chowder into the bread bowl. Then top with bacon and dill. The chowder is creamy and rich. The bread soaks up perfectly. Every bite is cozy and delicious. In the end, enjoying what you love is always the best. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Enjoy your meal.